Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be making pork chops. So we are going to be using this palm sugar coffee steak grill by High Rose Chef Shop. And if you guys didn't know, coffee is a great flavor to add to pork. I have reviewed this company before, and I will leave the link to where you can get this spice down in the description box below. It has a coffee flavor. It's not too strong, and a great smoky flavor. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to add it to the pork chops after they have been cleaned and dried off so that the spice adheres to them well. We're just going to add the spice to both sides of the meat, and then we're going to massage it in. And then we're just going to let that sit for just a minute, just to let that spice incorporate. Afterwards, you're going to add the pork chops to a pan with a little bit of oil or butter, your choice, on medium-high heat. We're going to do that at first just to get that pan hot again, so that when you lay that pork down, it's going to get a nice crust on it. You want to make sure not to overcrowd your pan, and you're just going to let that cook for about 5 minutes before you flip it over to the other side. Now, depending on how thick your pork chops are, you might want to let them cook a little bit longer, or you can go ahead and add them to the oven to finish off the cooking process. So as you can see, the pork has a beautiful color to it. And I wish you guys had smell-o-vision because it smells amazing in this kitchen. I'm just adding some celery and some white onions to this just to give some more flavor. I love having vegetables with my pork. At this point, your heat should be on medium-low. But you just want to get a nice flavor from those vegetables into that meat. So you're not going to let them cook before a few minutes, and after that, they're ready to serve. I actually served mine with a little bit of corn and white rice, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. I'll see you next time.